In the middle of a light snow here in Nevada City, California, I have become a guardian of a whole flock of birds. You can see one bird here, and then we have a hummingbird feeder that's very popular, although there's nothing on it now. And then another feeder where birds are actually fighting with each other to get on board and get their share. It's been pretty fun to watch how many birds are taking advantage of the little bit of feeders that I've put out. And here comes one of our many hummingbirds taking advantage of that hummingbird feeder. Generally, it's good times for all the birds near my house during this little snowfall.